Stay Gurubhyo Namaskar children. Welcome to our online teaching academy Ekkalaiva. Today we are going to see 9th standard state board maths, algebra exercise 3.14. First question, solve by any one of the methods. So we have substitution method, elimination method and cross multiplication method. You can use any one of the method for solve this sums. Okay. The sum of a two-digit number and the number formed by interchanging the digit is 110. Sum of a two-digit number and interchanging the digit. Okay, that if you add means you will get 110. If 10 is subtracted from the first number, the new number is 4 more than 5 times. 4 more than means plus. Okay, 4 plus 5 times the sum of the digits of the first number. Okay, children, see here. Let the tens digit be x and unit digit be y. Okay, because some of the two digit numbers means we have tens digit, ones digit. This is ones place, this is tens place. So that the tens place I am considering x, ones place I am taking y. Okay, so the number is sorry, the number is, write in expanded form. Okay, what is expanded form? See the example, 27 equal to 20 plus 7, because 2 is present in tens place and 7 is in unit place. So expanded form I am going to write. In tens place which variable is there? X, 10x, plus 1's place y is there. So 10x plus y is the number. Okay, two digit number 10x plus y. After that, what we are doing? We are interchanging the digits. Okay. So the digits are interchanged. The digits are interchanged. The new number is, after interchanging, we are getting one number. No, that number is called as new number. The new number is 10y plus x. Okay, according to the condition, first what they said, sum of the digits. Okay, sum of the two digits number. Okay, sum of the digits, what we will, children? Sum of the digits 10x plus y, first number. And after that, what they say? Sum of the two digit number and the number formed by interchanging the digits. After interchanging, what you are getting, children? 10y plus x. You should add this and this means you will get 110. Okay. So 10x plus y plus 10y plus x equal to 110. Now you should add it, 10x plus x, what you will get? 11x plus y plus 10y, what you will get, children? 11y equal to 110. Okay. Now divide by 11, x plus y equal to 10. This is the first equation. Okay. And what is the second condition, children? See the question. If 10 is subtracted from the first number means 10x plus y. Okay. 10 is subtracted from that. What you are getting? The new number is 4 more than 5 times the sum of the digits of the first number. So, see that equations. Second conditions, we are subtracting 10. 10x plus y is the first number. We are subtracting 10. What you will get? 5 times the sum of the digit. Sum of the digit means x and y. X plus y plus 4. 4 more than 5 times the sum of the digits. Okay. Now 10x plus y minus 10 equal to, multiply with the 5. 5 into x, 5x plus 5 into y, 5y plus 4. Now you should have variables in one side, constant in another side. So 10x plus y plus 5x will change minus 5x minus 5y equal to 4. Minus 10 will change plus 10. So 10x minus 5x, what you will get, children? 5x plus y minus 5y. So minus 4y equal to 14. This is the second equation. Now I am going to solve the equations by elimination method. Okay. See here, what is the first equation? X plus y equal to 10. The second equation, 5x minus 4y equal to 14. Okay. So I am going to eliminate the y variables. Okay, because here sign are different. So when I multiply this, while adding the equation, I can easily eliminate the y variable. So I am going to multiply the first equations with a 4. Okay. So 4 into x, the first equation into 4. 4x plus 4y equal to 40. 4 times are 40. The second equation you write as it is. 5x minus 4y equal to 40. Okay, this is the third equations. Okay, we multiply, no, so that. Now you should add it. Now add it to 3 plus 2, equation 3 and 2. So now cancel this. 4x plus 5x will get 9x equal to 54. X equal to 54 by 9. 9 ones are 9. 9 6 are 54. So x equal to 6. Substitute x equal to 6 in equation 1. What is equation 1? X plus y equal to 10. So x value 6 plus y equal to 10. Y equal to 10 minus 6. What you will get? 4. Okay. So therefore the number is 64, because 6 in tens place, 4 in ones place. Y is represent unit digit, x is represent tens digit. So tens place we need to put 6 and unit digit we have to write 4. Okay, so what we are getting? 64. Therefore the two digit number is 64. You understand, children? It's very, very important sum. Practice, children. Okay. Let's move on to the next one. So the next one, the sum of the numerator and a denominator of a fraction is 12. If the denominator is increased by 3, the fraction becomes 1 by 2. So find the fraction. Okay. Let us consider, let the numerator be x. Let the numerator be x and the denominator be y. Okay. So the fraction is x by y. Okay. So according to the condition, first condition, sum of the numerator and the denominator of a fraction is 12. Okay. Here numerator is x, denominator is y. So x plus y equal to 12. First equation. And second condition, if the denominator is increased by 3. Increased means we should add plus sign. Okay. So numerator you write as it is. Numerator represent x divided by denominator increased by 3. So y plus 3 equal to 1 by 2. The fraction becomes 1 by 2. Now you cross multiply this. 2x equal to 1 into y plus 3. What you will get? Y plus 3. Implies 2x minus y equal to 3. This is second equation. Okay. Now I am going to solve the equation. See here, plus y minus y. Okay. I am going to add the equation. Now add 1 plus 2 implies x plus y equal to 12. 2x minus y equal to 3. Cancel this. X plus 2x you will get 3x. 3x equal to 15. X equal to 15 by 3. 3 ones are 3. 3 5s are 15. Okay. So what is the x value, children? X equal to 5. Next you find the y value. Substitute x equal to 5 in equation 1. So 5 plus y equal to 12. Y equal to 12 minus 5 will get 7. So therefore the fraction in the form of x by y. So here x value 5, y value 7. So the fraction is 5 by 7. Is it clear, children? See the next one. Third question. ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. Okay. ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. Inside we have the quadrilateral. A, B, C, D. Okay. Here, what are the things are given? Angle A equal to 4y plus 20. Angle B equal to 3y minus 5. The degree is given. Okay, degree. and angle C equal to 4x degree, angle D equal to 7x plus 5 degree. Okay, so we are going to find four angles. Cyclic quadrilateral is given. We are going to find the four angles. Okay, all the four angles are given. Okay, angle A, B, C and D is given here. Okay, in the cyclic quadrilateral, the sum of the opposite angles, if we add this, what you will get? 180 degree. In a cyclic quadrilateral, in a cyclic quadrilateral, sum of the opposite angles is equal to 180 degree. Okay, now we should add it. Angle A is 4y plus 20 plus angle C is 4x equal to 180 degree. So 4x plus 4y equal to 180 minus 20 degree. The plus 20 will change minus 20. So when we subtract this, what you will get, children? 160. Okay. See, 4x plus 4y equal to 160. Now I am going to divide by 4. So when I divide this, what I will get? X plus y equal to, here 160 by 4. 4 fours are 16. 0 you write as it is. This is equation 1. Next, angle B plus D equal to 180 degree. So what is the B value, children? What is the B value? 7x plus 5. 7x plus 5 plus D value 3y minus 5 equal to 180 degree. Here plus 5 minus 5 cancel. So 7x plus 3y equal to 180 degree. This is equation 2. Okay. Now see here, x plus y equal to 40 and 7x plus 3y equal to 180. I am going to solve these two equations. Okay. See here, I am going to eliminate the y variable. So I need to multiply the first equations with the 3. 3x plus 3y equal to 120. Okay. 7x plus 3y equal to 180. Okay. So now I'm going to subtract this. This is considered as third equation. So 3 minus 2 implies I have to change the sign. Minus, minus, minus. Okay. So now cancel this. 3x minus 7x, what you will get, children? Minus 4x equal to minus 180 plus 120, what you will get? Minus 60. So minus minus cancel. So 4x equal to 60. 4x equal to 60. X equal to 60 by 4. 4 ones are 4. 4 ones are 4. Remaining to 20. 5 fours are 20. So x equal to 50. Substitute x equal to 15 in equation 1. So what is equation 1, children? X plus y equal to 40. So first equation implies x value 15 plus y equal to 40. Y equal to 40 minus 15. So what you will get, children? y equal to 25. Y equal to 25. Okay. So now we are going to find the angle A, B, C and D. Angle A equal to 4y plus 20. Okay. Now substitute the value 4 into the value of y is 25 plus 20. 4 into 25, what you will get, children? 100. 100 plus 20 will get 120. Next, angle B equal to 3y minus 5. Okay. Now we add this 3 into the y value 25 plus, sorry, here minus 5. Minus 5 equal to 75 minus 5, you will get 70. Okay, and next is C. Angle C equal to 4x. 4 into 15 equal to 60. Angle D equal to 7x plus 5. So 7 into 15 plus 5. 7 into 15, what you will get, children? 105 plus 5, you will get 110. So therefore, the four angles are, the four angles are 120, 70 degree, 60 degree and 110 degree. Is it clear, children? To receive our online lessons, please press the subscribe button and you will receive the latest updates. Thank you, children.